Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting, a very good technique to practice English speaking. This technique is called a reviewing technique. This term, I have come up with this term because I feel this is something which is very important while you are having a conversation. I feel review is very important when we are having a conversation, right? And here also in this case, what we are doing is we are learning to have a conversation in English, right? We are preparing ourselves to speak English fluently and confidently, which means we want to have a fluent and confident conversation with people. So that is why we are preparing ourselves, or we are practicing, or we are learning English, right? So that is why this technique of reviewing is very important to learn, so that when you're actually having a conversation, you'll be able to, it will help you a lot. Okay, so what we do generally is when we have a conversation with people, we talk about certain topics, right? We pick up a lot of topics like movie, travel, or anything which has happened to us. We went shopping, we bought something, we had tried a new restaurant. So what we do is we give reviews to people. If somebody asks you, what did you do last weekend? So we usually tell, we went out with our family for dinner. We tried this new Chinese restaurant. Okay, and then the other person says that, oh, okay, you tried this restaurant, how was the food? So this is the second question which comes to us. So that is how it goes on and on. So we give reviews about the food, we give about review about the ambience of the restaurant, and a lot of other things, the service, the staffs. So we give a lot of reviews. So in our daily life conversations, this is a very critical or a very major part of our conversations. So that is why I wanted to focus on this today. I'm going to give you examples also of how we can speak about something, how you can review probably a movie or a food or a shopping experience or a travel experience. Okay, so that you can also come up with your own script. Okay, so guys, welcome back. I'm a communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you out to speak English fluently and confidently. Today we want to discuss about this reviewing technique. This is very powerful and very easy technique, guys. We all love giving reviews. We all love giving feedbacks, right? It's just that we need to try this to speak it in English. It's just that we have to take that initiative in speaking in English. So what we can do, we can practice 10 minutes every day on this, giving feedbacks or giving reviews, and then we are good to go. So if tomorrow somebody asks any review, you can definitely start giving it in English because you have enough practice. You know what you can say and how you can frame your sentences and what words are used. Right? So let's get started. How you can practice this reviewing technique? You can start giving reviews about a movie, about a food, about a restaurant, about a travel experience. You have visited some place and how was your experience, or how was your hotel, what hotel you booked and how was your experience there, experience with the staff, the hospitality, the food, ambience of the hotel, lots of things, right? You can always review sports, or you can give feedbacks about any sports or clothes or shopping experience or any series you are watching lately, or any game, online game you are playing, any daily vlogs you are watching, right? You can give reviews or feedbacks about these things. So there are n number of things you can come up with. You can review that, you can give feedback about. Okay, you can simply give feedback about meeting with your friends, right? Or your day at a college, a day at the office. So you can give reviews about a lot of things. You just have to come up with a situation and you can start giving reviews about it. Somebody you met and how you felt about that meeting, right? You can give a review about that. So today I'm going to talk about how you can review a movie. Okay, so recently I watched this movie called 12th Fail. Now this movie is a very inspirational movie. So guys, just see how I am talking about this movie. You can also come up with similar reviews about the movie you have watched recently. This movie was an inspirational story which are based on true events. This has inspired me a lot. I can tell you that this movie was literally a masterpiece. After a long time I watched this kind of stuff. The storyline was very strong, the screenplay was amazing, and the climax was worth a clap. Definitely. This was a beautiful movie. I really got inspired with this movie. This movie tells us how failures should not affect you, or failures are the stepping stone to success. You should find a way to succeed in your failures. That is the message which this movie is giving, guys. Go watch this movie. It's a wonderful movie. I like this movie personally. The actors were amazing, especially the main lead. His acting was superb, out of the world. I really liked his acting a lot. So all in all, it's a good, enjoyable movie. You will cry, you will laugh, you will enjoy, you will do everything at the same time. So you'll have a lot of fun, trust me on this. So this was overall a very good experience. I have watched this after a very long time. I have had this experience after a very long time. It was fun. I think everybody in the theatre was applauding and they were really enjoying the movie. Everybody enjoyed the movie in the theatre. So guys, this is how you can review a movie. You can just tell about the storyline. You can tell about the characters played in the movie. You can talk about them, how their acting was. You can talk about the climax. You can talk about the storyline. You can talk about the songs, if any, the dance sequence, the songs, music. You can talk about every single detail about the movie. You can talk about a movie at length as well, right? This was a short example. This was a short review I have given you so that you understand how to review a movie, how to come up with your feedback, okay, just to get started. And then you can include a lot of things there. Okay, as I told you, you can include the story, you can include the climax, you can include the choreography, you can include the music, you can include the dance sequence, you can include the songs, how it was, you can include how the actors performed, how was the direction, how was the overall experience, how was the experience in the theatre, what other people were doing. So you can just club everything in one and you can just come up with a review. Okay, this is a very interesting way of speaking in English or practicing English speaking. Once you get into the habit of giving feedbacks or reviews, definitely you are going to enjoy the process. So in the same way, you can just talk about the series you are watching. Now comes the second part where I'm going to speak about. The second example which I'm going to give you is how to give a food review. Okay, so you went to a restaurant and you wanted to eat something good that day, and you went to a restaurant, you ordered something, and how you can review the overall experience or the food or about the restaurant, probably the overall experience, right? So how will we do that? Let's get started. Last weekend I went to a restaurant. I wanted to eat Chinese. So I went to this restaurant called Mainland China. When I entered the restaurant, the ambience was very good. The decor was quite impressive. I liked the decor, and you can see small Chinese symbols there with which they decorated their space, and it was quite peaceful. It was not a very big restaurant. It was a very cozy space, we can say. It was a cozy space, and we entered there. It was really, the smell, the aroma of the food was very intoxicating. Trust me on that. I'm a big fan of Chinese. So when I entered there, the aroma was quite intoxicating, and I felt hungry immediately. So we went there and we wanted to order something. The staffs were also very friendly and very cooperative. The service was pretty fast. Everything was quite good there. So we saw the menu. We asked the person also to help us out with the dishes, like which is most famous there, what people prefer to eat there mostly. So we tried to get his idea also, and then we ordered noodles and Manchurian and momos and some. So we ordered these stuffs. The food came quickly, didn't take much time, 10-15 minutes was the waiting time. The food came and it smelled delicious, and we were so hungry. We immediately indulged in eating the food, and the noodles was very nice. It was very light and non-spicy. It was a Hakka noodle. It was non-spicy. It was very good, and the Manchurian was also good. It was not very spicy. It was not very bland. It was medium spicy. I liked that taste a lot. It is crunchy. It was sweet. It was salty. It was sour. So all the tastes were there. We can make out all the tastes. So it was very good. And then we ordered the momos as well. Dumplings. So the dumplings was also very soft, very well cooked, and that was also not very spicy. I don't like very spicy food. I like medium spicy food. So it was good to me. And then we also ordered soup as well. Manchow soup. The manchow soup was also too good. I really had a great time there. I enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the ambience. I enjoyed the music there. The soft music was playing there, and I really enjoyed that. I had a great time with my family there, and then after having a good meal, we came back home. So guys, this is how you can review the food or the restaurant. You can just include everything in that. How was the staff, whether they were polite or not? How was the service, whether it was fast or slow? How was the ambience of the restaurant? How was the music, whether it was loud or light music or calm music, right? You can describe about what kind of music was playing. You can describe about the interior of the place. You can describe about the food which you are eating, whether it is spicy, whether it is not spicy, sweet, salty, sour, what kind of food it is. If you liked the food, if you didn't like the food, what other people were eating, how was their experience, whether you enjoyed your time there. So these all things you can include in the reviewing or giving feedbacks, right? So these are the two examples I gave you guys, how to review a restaurant or food and how to review a movie. I am sure that this is really going to help you to come up with your own, right? Now in terms of food also, I have reviewed a restaurant food. You can review simply your home food, right? If you're having dal, rice, vegetables, chutney or anything, papad or anything, whatever you are having in your plate, you can just start reviewing that in the same way. My mom has cooked the food. It's delicious. It's a simple meal. I wanted to eat something light today. This is how you can come up with a review. Just give it a shot, guys. Give it a try. Once you give it a try, you will gain confidence, you will gain fluency, and you will enjoy the process. It will be very interesting for you, and in no time you will be able to speak about these things very easily, and in front of others also. You can go out and you can start speaking, right? It will give you that confidence. So trust me on this reviewing technique is very good. Whatever you watch, whatever you see, whatever you eat, whatever you do, start giving reviews on that. Start giving reviews. That is the best thing you can do. So guys, I am going to come up with the second part of this series. Second part of this series where I am going to talk about other things which you can also review, like sports review or a shopping experience, right? So these things I am going to come up with in part 2 of this video. See you. Bye-bye.